What's up guys, this is Usman here. In this video, I am going to review Oppo A53 after using it for the past few days. I will talk about its design, performance, camera and the battery. So first, let's see what I got in the Oppo A53 box. In the box, there is a device, power adapter, USB-C port, manuals and the silicone cover. Now let's take a look at its design. There is plastic on the back of this device and the color is fancy blue. On the front, IPS LCD capacitive touch screen with the protection of the Gorilla Glass 3. The Corning Gorilla Glass 3 in this budget is the bold key feature of this device. The Oppo A53 comes in 3 colors, white, electric black and the fancy blue. I have the fancy blue one. Basically, there is a gradient set of the silver starting at the top and the blue till the bottom. And this thing is really look fancy and gives you the feeling of expensive smartphones. And if you talk about its sides, on the right side there is power button and on the left side there is SIM tray along with the volume rockers. There is nothing at the top and on the bottom there is speaker, charging port, microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. There are 2 speakers on this smartphone and the secondary speaker at the top of the display is really a big speaker and both speakers produce really a loud sound to give you full good quality of the audio. And on the back there is triple camera and I will talk about the camera later in this video. And there is branding of the Oppo at the bottom of this phone. Plus the fingerprint sensor is also at the back. Let's test the fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor worked very well for me, picking at the first try as you can see. No complaint about its fingerprint sensor. And one thing I can say here that its back is attractive. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment below. On the front there is 6.5-inch display with a pixel density of 269 ppi. Pixel density is although low, but its display is fine and enjoyable. However, it's not AMOLED, but it comes with the Gorilla Glass. There is 16-megapixel punch hole camera on the top left side. One thing I can say, by putting the selfie camera on the left side, we can enjoy the full screen while playing the games. Because while playing games, it usually comes under our thumb. And due to this, it becomes invisible and don't irritate us while playing the game or watching the videos. And for the SIM tray, Oppo provided us dual SIM functionality along with 2 nano SIMs and the macro SD card at the same time on A53. So we can enjoy 2 SIMs along with extra storage. And this is very big benefit for the 64GB storage variant users. And now let's jump to the performance section. Oppo A53 comes with the chipset of Snapdragon 460, which is built on 11nm process. It's an entry-level chipset. Many people complained about its chipset, but it worked well for the PUBG and the Call of Duty Mobile. I saw Asphalt 9 lagged on it, but in this budget it's performing well. Yes, it's a little bit expensive and even it's 64GB and 4GB variant. Oppo should review their prices. And the GPU is Android 610. Oppo provided Android 610 even on the Oppo A52. I tested the PUBG and in the graphics setting of the PUBG we can only jump to the balanced graphics setting. And other HD graphics are locked. And the Call of Duty Mobile worked very well at very high graphics. And yes, this device becomes hot while playing the games. But on the Oppo A53, I don't saw any notification about overheating of the device, like we saw on the Oppo A52. And the multitasking of the Oppo A53 is pretty smooth. I saw no lagging and jumping from one app to another is very easy and smooth. Oppo A53 have Android 10 and the Color OS 7.1. Dark mode is also available which comes with the Android 10. Plus it also comes with the Google's messaging, contacts and the phone app, which are not user friendly. I discussed this issue briefly in the Oppo A52 review. Make sure to watch it. Link is in the description and in the iCard. Now let's discuss the favorite part, which is camera. First, let's see the numbers game. Oppo A53 have triple camera on the back. There is 2-megapixel macro, 13-megapixel wide and the 2-megapixel depth, along with the flash. Oppo A53 allows us 1080p at 30 fps for video recording. The quality of the camera is average, but I think it is better than the Oppo A52. Colors are well improved than the Oppo A52. There is no ultra wide and the Oppo provides 1x, 2x and the 5x zoom. In the camera app there is photo, portrait and the macro modes available. And there is no slow motion and the night mode available on this device. Here is the video test of the Oppo A53. I recorded the video at 1080p at 30 fps. There is no stabilization on the Oppo A53. These images are in the photo mode. And these are in the portrait mode with the bokeh enabled. The quality of the image is really better. Everything is in detail and I think it's performing good in this budget. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment below. Now let's look on the selfie camera. 16 megapixel punch hole camera provides us really good selfies both in the photo and the portrait mode. Focus mode is really well. Here is the video of the selfie camera. And I'm recording this video from the selfie camera of the Oppo A53. What do you say about its video and the audio quality? Please let me know in the comments below. There is no night mode on this phone, but I took few images with the flash. The quality is not too much good. Even with the flash, pictures are not clear. What do you say? And for the battery, its capacity is 5000 mAh and the 18-watt fast charger comes with this device. 5000 mAh is pretty big battery and enough for the 1.5 day usage. I enjoyed its battery timing. Although it comes with the fast charging, but it took 3 hours and 33 minutes to charge 100% battery. I'm not satisfied with its battery charging time. What do you say? Okay, this was the Oppo A53 review. Hope you got the idea should you buy this device or not from my review. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe my channel for more videos. Watch my other videos till the next one. Take care. Bye bye.